Okay, devlog 1.3. So in my last video, I kind of solved the sticky issue with using the normals. So like, it didn't feel like you're getting stuck to the ground. But then I realized I had another issue where my movement just kind of felt a little jerky and unreliable. And especially when I like mess with some other stuff, it just didn't feel right. But I kind of switched my method a little bit and it seems to work a lot more fluidly and I don't get just kind of like thrown off things really easily. And what I did is instead of using an add force method that kind of adds a force to the main player based on the kind of distance between my white box and the sphere, it instead updates the player's velocity. But it doesn't do that directly. It uses a lerp function to kind of update it towards that direction. So you kind of have to be, it's not like instant. You have to have like a somewhat long fluid motion to really get it going. But because of that, I can kind of run around on the floor a lot better. And I also lowered the gravity. That seems to make it just work a little better. But I'm kind of happy with this system right now. I might need to do some tweaks, but it kind of does what I want it to. I can kind of like jump at walls and then either jump off them or kind of wall run up them a little bit. And it just feels a lot more fluid. And there's also, like with the old system, if I stopped myself there, I probably would have gone flung back a little bit because it's kind of too overreactive. But this system allows you to kind of dampen your movement a lot more. So when you're like trying to stop, you can actually stop pretty easily. Whoa, can I make it? Whoa, whoa. All right. And I might make a 1.4 devlog where I kind of go over some of the code in the actual editor. But I think my next main devlog should be once I add the kind of hands and feet switching system. And we'll see how long that takes me to figure that out.